Everyone had a great trading day today. We have a lot of information to go through. Markets are moving. Equity markets, especially, guys. We got a buy signal on the S&P the other day. Okay, so we're gonna go through that, but that's a big deal. We need the other indexes to follow through with some buy signals, but we've got a confirmed buy signal, so we're going to call a buy signal in equities again. Okay. All right, let's take a look at the markets. All right, so welcome, guys, welcome. That's good news, all right? Absolutely good news. That correction did not last long. I think it was about a 4% correction in equities, which is not bad, all right? So we're moving higher again. And if everything holds, we should move through, hopefully, all right, hopefully we should move right through spring, through the next few months. We might have some slight corrections, but we should be fine. We should be fine, let's say up until about May or so. All right, so sell in May and go away. We'll see. All right, whenever I say stuff like that, it never happens. So, but that's the cycle. That's the seasonality. All right, so we're coming out of the Christmas rally. We had our dip, right? We had some selling, and now we'll move forward from here. All right. So the Dow, S&P, and NASDAQ were all up today. All right. So if you guys look here, the Dow, right, was up 408 points up for the day. That's a big move up. NASDAQ was up 44 points. S&P was up 32 points. And the Russell was also up. All right. We do have a buy signal here, as I mentioned. Right, we do have a buy signal right here on the S&P. All right, so S&P gave a buy signal right here on a break of this resistance here. So we have a buy signal, nice buy signal. Actually came in yesterday. All right, and we had some good follow through today. All right, so S&P 6,118 on the S&P. Good price action. All right. All right. Hey, Joe, welcome, Joe, welcome. All right, so nice buy signal again on the S&P. We're still waiting for a buy signal on the NASDAQ, guys, but we got good price action. If you guys can see that here, good price action, getting ready to break resistance. All right, if we have an update tomorrow, we'll get a buy signal on the NASDAQ as well, okay? On the Dow, no buy signal yet, but really good price action. Look at that, guys. Really good price action. Breaks through that resistance right about here, we'll get a buy signal. So healthy market. All right. I mean, anything can happen, but right now, moving nicely. That's what we like to see. Okay. Right. IWM, the Russell, just holding here, but green candles will take that on the Russell index. The VIX is at 1502, so that's low on the VIX. We need the VIX to keep coming lower though, all right? So we need that VIX to get about, I would say 13 would be nice, okay? But it has been coming down, so that's great on the VIX, okay? We have our energy sector is the #1 sector right now. All right, so energy, financial is doing well. Okay, healthcare. We'll take a look at healthcare. All right, but we're starting to see more neutral in here. So this is what happens, guys. When we have selling, they're usually all red. Then they turn to neutral. Then they turn to blue. All right, so that means buyers are coming back in. That's what we need to see. And on the major indexes, the Dow, S&P, NASDAQ, they're turning from red to neutral, and then they'll hopefully turn blue up. All right, so that's our radar right here. The futures market, the dollar is sitting right at a support level here, so just be aware of your dollar pairs. The buy signal here on the dollar index all the way down here at 102. Great trade, guys. On the dollar, right now it's at resting at 107. All right. Now we think based on the price action, based on how things are going, we could get a sell signal on the dollar index. Okay, so just know it's holding support here, and buyers could certainly come back in, squeeze in, right, accumulate all the way up here where your triangle right here is. But we'll see. Right now, we think we'll break through that support and get a sell signal. We are overbought. All right, purple support and resistance. Right, so we are high up on the chart here. We could get a sell signal. So just keep an eye on that. Your sectors, gold, the GLD, gold is breaking out. That's your ETF. Silver, no buy signal yet, but GLD, ETF, gold, has a buy signal there. Energy, guys, pull back a bit. All right. Hey, Peter. Peter, welcome, Peter. Welcome. Good to see you, Peter. All right, pull back a bit. Here is resistance right here, guys. We were hoping that energy, right? Energy would break through that resistance. So a bit of a pullback, all right, but we need to break through that resistance there on energy, all right? So keep an eye on it, all right? That might be, we'll see, but might be the best play right now, okay? So energy, we'll take a look at our heat seeker for stock. So energy, right, pull back a bit. Healthcare, let's see here. Healthcare setting up nicely, guys. Okay, so we've got support. Let's call this support right here, here, and here. All right, you guys know we had the correction, so we're coming out of that correction. All right, coming out of that markdown phase. Nice, healthy candles here. So markdown. All right, accumulation, green candles here. We're breaking out. We should get a buy signal soon on healthcare. Okay, all right. Financials. All right, financials also look good. That is another sector. So stock boss traders, bull master traders, all right? Keep that in mind, all right? Nuclear energy, Peter, SM, all right. We'll take a look at you in both of those. All right, so let's make a note here. SMR, Peter. Peter is usually on top of it. NENNE. All right, Peter. We'll take a look at those. All right. So XLE, guys, financials. Keep an eye on financials. Been trading really, really well. Look at that. All right. Really, really well. All right. Buyers are coming in. We need to break resistance to get another buy signal here to keep moving. All right. We'll look for financial stocks also. We'll do that this evening. All right. Industrials, getting in on the action here. All right, so industrials. Now, as the market moves higher, equity moves higher, guys, and we get buy signals on these indexes, right? We have a buy signal on the S&P, but as I mentioned, right, we'll call a buy, we'll call it bullish right now, all right? And we'll call a buy signal based on how things are moving, but we don't have an official buy signal unless we have all four sectors giving buy signal. But we'll start adding equities. We'll send out those alerts, okay? So buyers are coming in here. Nice pullback, green candles. We break through that resistance right here. We'll get a buy signal. That's on industrials. Tech. Let's take a look at tech. Beautiful. All right, so technology sector, guys. We have a buy signal here right on a break of this resistance, and we're breaking out of that range for tech. This is good for your Mag 7 stocks, your Magnificent 7 stocks. Okay, that's really, really good. We just need to clear that resistance. We do have a buy signal and a breakout. Okay, so these sectors are setting up nicely. Utilities right here, telecom right here. Same thing with telecom. Now, we don't have a lot of telecom stocks, but it is breaking out. All right, the major sectors, guys, we pay attention to. All right, tech, healthcare, financials, energy, right? Those are the big ones. Material, basic materials. All right. But it's nice to see when they all start moving, right? That's great confirmation. All right, so this is telecom. If we break through that resistance here, we'll get a buy signal. Look at telecom, okay? Biotech, let's take a look, right? Biotech, nothing here. So guys, when you look at healthcare, you look at that sector, okay? The industry, which is biotech, which is the industry within healthcare, stay away from that for now, all right? So biotech, nothing there, stay away. Home builders, no, we track biotech because it's a big sector, okay? It is a big sector. Home builders, nothing there. Materials, nothing yet. Communication services, keep an eye on it. Previous trade did really, really well. All right, we're just waiting for a new buy signal there. Consumer staples, nothing yet, still selling, clearly in the markdown phase there. Real estate, all right, nothing there. And consumer discretionary, keep an eye on it. All right. Now, consumer discretionary does well. All right, during that Christmas rally, fourth quarter. Not a major sector right now. Okay, you can certainly trade it, but not a major sector right now. All right, Forex, let's go through this quickly here. Let's see what it's doing. A bit of consolidation. All right, so as money is coming back into equities, expect Forex. I know we don't like to hear this. All right, I know we don't like to hear this, but as money is going back into equities, expect Forex to slow a bit. Now, you will have opportunities, all right? We will have opportunities, but just know that we might get some consolidation, okay? So we are getting consolidation here. We about, I would say 45% consolidation on the daily. Same here on the 240 and on the 60-minute, about 50% consolidation. All right, so just be careful, guys. Things are mixed right now. All right, we do have trades. We'll go through those, but we don't have a rotation. All right, we do not have a rotation in Forex. You can trade lightly. Be careful. Everything is mixed right here. You can see here, 60-minute mixed, 240 mixed. I mean, this looks good here, right? Aussie, Kiwi, Yen, we need more buying to come in here to push that price and get buying into here. So, all right, we don't have any real direction right now in those, so just be aware of that, okay? All right, big picture, all right, big picture. All right, Dow daily time frame, guys, good price action. We are holding that beautiful trend line right here. Breaking through that resistance. Here is all-time highs on the Dow. So equities, guys. So our stock boss traders, Bullmaster traders, Bullmaster pro traders, get your systems together, right? Get your systems, your capital, get that together, all right? So we're just waiting for a buy signal here to have a confirmed buy on the Dow, on the daily time frame. Weekly time frame, guys, looks good, all right? Look at that. Weekly time frame buy signal came in all the way down here on the weekly. Beautiful candles. Look at that, guys. Held support, near-term support here. Looking to break through that resistance here. That is all-time highs. All-time highs. Weekly time frame on the Dow. Monthly time frame, just perfect. All right. Monthly time frame broke resistance here. Look at this chart. All the way back, guys, 2011, 2012. Look at that right here. This was COVID. Right, COVID here, but look, keeps moving higher. Let's bring in our nice trend line here so we can watch it right here. Look at that. All right, keeps moving up every single month. Okay, the S&P, guys, got a buy signal here on the S&P on the daily time frame. Broke resistance here. Buy signal came in here. Nice, healthy candle. Hold on. All right. Right here on the S&P daily time frame, broke resistance here yesterday, got a buy signal, follow through, nice follow through candle here. All right, look at that. Look at the trades here on the S&P daily, guys. Bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here, new buy signal, right? So guess what? This buy signal should move higher, all right? We have a good amount of selling here. Buyers came in, good amount of correction here, small amount. Buyers came in, same here. All right, same here. Buyers are coming back in, okay? Perfect timing, all right? Perfect timing right now. That's the S&P on the daily time frame. S&P weekly time frame, look at that. Holding firm, do not short. No shorting, guys, no shorting, all right? No puts. Buy signal here, moving up nicely here. All green candles here. S&P weekly time frame, healthy market. All right, S&P monthly, guys. Look at that buy signal here on the break of this high right here. Every single candle for the month keeps moving higher. All right, so find your spot, find your space, make some money. All right, on the NASDAQ daily time frame, look here, really good price action. Bought here, sold here. Right, sellers came in, bought here, sold here. All these are reaccumulation trades. Bought here in a break of this resistance, sold here, break of support. Buyers are coming back in. We should get a buy signal soon. All right, if we have an update tomorrow or early next week, we should get a buy signal on the NASDAQ. All right, and you guys saw Tech's got a buy signal. NASDAQ on the weekly time frame. Look at that, really good price action. Right here is the resistance, and we are breaking through all-time highs, guys. All-time highs territory we've been continuing to make. NASDAQ on the monthly time frame, buy signal here. Every single candle here on the month, all green, keeps moving higher, following that beautiful, look at that, right? Nice upward trend line. Started all the way back, all right, January 2023. Okay, look at that move, guys. Amazing. Monthly, every candle, a month worth of data here. Okay, on the Russell, we do need the Russell to get going here. All right, a bit of a pullback, very choppy with the Russell. That's your small cap stocks. Okay, remember, large cap, right? That's generally S&P and the NASDAQ. But Russell's small cap stocks in Stock Boss, a bit of a pullback, purpose support and resistance. So we overbought in here. Keep an eye on it. We need to break through here. Okay. On the weekly time frame here, holding firm. Big resistance here, guys. We have no idea what's going on with the Russell. All right. But guess what, guys? When they consolidate like this, hold that resistance. When they break through, they can break through in a big way. All right. So yes, it's consolidating and not a lot of action, but always pay attention. That's why we do this, okay? We don't want any surprises. Breaks through, guess what? Those small cap stocks will really move, and those are inexpensive stocks too, so we like those, okay? So big resistance here going back all the way to 2021, 2022, right here. Here we are, big resistance here. All right, we're looking to break through that resistance on the weekly. And here we are, buy signal on the monthly. Again, big resistance here, 21, 22. Here we are on the monthly time frame. Broke out, give a buy signal, retrace, looking to break out again. So don't give up on it quite yet. All right. On the VIX, VIX is just holding here at 15. That's good. Came down from a high for the month. All right. These are monthly right here on the VIX. All right. Was at 22, at 15, we'll take 15. Okay, so lower volatility, good environment for equities. Okay, you guys know that. All right, so we need that VIX to keep coming lower. All right, Magnificent 7. Let's take a look at those. So your Mag 7 stocks, all right, Meta, Facebook. Let's see here. All right, so Meta, Facebook is breaking resistance. We do have an official buy signal, had some red candles here to got out here. This here, buyers are coming back in, so we're going to call a buy signal. All right, so buy signal on Meta on Facebook, okay? So you can put that in either your Bull Master or your Bull Master Pro. So we'll put it in Bull Master Pro because it's a Mag 7 stock, okay? So Bull Master Pro. All right. All right. So it's moving higher, breaking resistance there. That's really good. Again, buy signal all the way here, but we could have gotten out, should have gotten out here on these red candles. So we'll call that another buy signal there. Okay. Amazon, let's see here. Amazon, a new buy signal, guys, in Amazon. Look here. The buy signal came in yesterday. Beautiful buy signal. All right, buy signal here, and I think Nancy Pelosi is buying this. All right, so you guys know, boy, she knows how to trade. All right, so she's in this. So buy signal here, moving up nicely here. So we'll put that in Bull Master Pro. AMZN, Amazon, in Bull Master Pro. All right, with fundamentals. All right, buy signal here, broke resistance, moving up nicely there. Okay. Those can be good for calls. Microsoft Microsoft is breaking resistance here. Wait for our buy signal. All right. Google, let's see here. Buy signal here, still continuing to move higher. All right. So good trade there going on Google. Apple, let's see Apple. Nothing with Apple, guys. Apple gave its sell signal. Buy signal was here on a break of resistance at 237. Sell signal came in, broke support right here. Sellers came in. All right, 241. We should be out. All right, at least the good news, it's holding support right here, but can't touch it right now. Nothing to do here with Apple. Okay. All right, let's keep going. NVIDIA. NVIDIA is making a move higher, guys. We're going to call a buy signal on NVIDIA. All right, here was your buy signal here. Red candles to get out. All right, buyers are coming back in. It's breaking resistance here. So either here, we've got decent resistance here. I'll call it here. All right, that's just a high here. But buyers are coming in, so we'll call that in Bullmaster Pro. And the DA, Bullmaster Pro. Okay. All right. And the last one, Tesla. I think Tesla was down today, but it's still holding on the daily time frame. Okay. So Tesla, our buy signal, guys, came in at 265 right here. All right. Holding right here. Now, Tesla should be moving higher. All right. We are overbought. Okay. We are overbought. We have purpose, support, and resistance, but Tesla should be moving higher with all this buying coming in. All green candles, keep an eye on it. All right. So we need to break through near-term resistance right here. If we get a white candle here, as the market keeps moving higher, that will be a concern, okay? But purpose, support, and resistance, we always have to keep an eye on that, okay? All right. All right, Bitcoin. All right, Bitcoin, our buy signal, you guys remember, was right here, right around 70,000, okay? Sell signal was at 91,000. We have a new buy signal here that came in right around, what's that? 104 or so, a bit of a pullback holding here, but Bitcoin looks good, guys. Bitcoin looks good to keep moving higher. And remember, Bitcoin will move with the equity markets, okay, with the stock market. So buy signal here, a new buy signal after this buy signal, all right? And look at the buy signals, guys, on the daily. Bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here, another buy signal here, all right? 102, amazing, amazing. Okay, on the weekly time frame, Bitcoin looks good to move higher, guys. All right, weekly time frame broke through a big resistance here, gapped up. It looks good to move higher. It really does. Okay. All right, don't bet the farm on it though. All right, bonds, LTL. All right, the 10-year bond. It's still here. We were hoping that it would hold support. Buyers would come in here, gap down today. Keep an eye on it. All right. So this will affect rates. So rates are high now. We need it to move up. So rates will come down. Okay. I know you guys don't trade it, but it's good to watch. The dollar index, again, it's just holding here on the daily. Weekly, all right, a bit of a pullback. We'll keep an eye on the dollar. As equity markets move higher, though, the dollar could move lower. Pound yen and the yen pairs, but pound yen in particular stuck within a range here, tight range here, all right, between resistance and support, all right. We would like to see pound yen move higher on the daily time frame. We've got some trades, right? Send out some alerts on the 60-minute time frame. We'd like to see pound yen move higher. Pound yen will move with the equity markets, okay? On the weekly time frame, we got a nice bounce of the trend line here, all right? So just like here we are, and look here, bounce here, and here we are. We are bouncing current week right here. Need to move higher, break through that resistance, okay? Still early, but at least we're getting some good price action. On the monthly time frame, big resistance here. Buy signal here, but look here, we need to get through that resistance. Right, big resistance here. This is where sellers came in before here. and here, so we don't need that here, right? We need to break through, and we need a big pop to move higher here. All right, that should come if we keep moving higher. The yen, right, in the Japanese yen in the futures market, right, holding support here. So they're holding, right? So the pound yen is holding here, and the Japanese yen futures market holding here. If the pound yen breaks to the upside, the yen, Japanese yen here, will break through the downside. Okay, so it's low in that markdown phase. So whew, all right, we'll see. Gold is holding nicely, guys. Buy signal here. The futures market, 2180, 2283 right here was our buy signal. Right, looks good to break through that resistance. Resistance is right here. We'll really call this a high at 2700. Looks good to break through, guys. 27, what's that? 2789. It's at 2764. That wants to break through here, move higher, okay? So, boy, 3,000 on gold. That's not too far off, okay? Silver, let's see if silver is still holding. Still holding here. Looks like we could get some green candles soon. Crude oil, we need crude oil to move higher. A bit of a pullback today. It is within a tight range, okay? But we think crude oil with energy will move higher, break through that resistance, and get around 90,000. If we can get around 90,000, 100,000, not good for the economy, not good for gas prices, all right, but good for traders. We could see it really move higher, finally get past the highs right here, okay? All right. Now let's go to current positions. And Peter, I haven't forgotten. We'll take a look at your trades. Current positions in Monster Scalper. Let's go through this quickly. All right, we've got some trades on the 60-minute time frame. Let's see how they're doing. Those are the yen pairs. So TRY, JPY, right? Buy signal here, sell signal. Buy signal on a break of this resistance, broke support, sell signal. There, close the trade, please. All right, so sellers are coming in on these yen pairs. CAD yen, buy signal here, sell signal, close the trade, please. That's too bad. Swiss yen. All right, so buy signal here. We got out here, got back in about right here. Sell signal, broke support, close the trade, please. Swiss yen. All right, pound yen. All right, pound yen, buy signal was here, got out here, the red candles, got back in about here, closed the trade. We have a new buy signal here. Let's wait. All right, we'll wait on taking that. All right. HKD JPY. All right, buy signal here, a break of resistance, broke support, red candle, close the trade, please. HKD JPY, dollar yen. All right, buy signal here, red candle, sell signal, close the trade, please. All right, so guys, this yen long right now, okay, just be aware of that. Sellers are coming in there, okay? So New Zealand yen, buy signal here on a break of resistance, broke support, red candle, sell signal, close the trade, please. Aussie yen, all right, Aussie yen, broke resistance here, buy signal, right, broke support right here, sell signal, Aussie yen. So clean things up. Swiss SGD JPY, Singapore dollar yen, buy signal here, red candles, close the trade. Sellers are coming. This is where sellers came in before, guys. Right here, right here, right here. Here they are coming in. All right, now you know we're up in the markup phase here, so reaccumulation, just close the trade. And you guys know the 60 has been difficult, okay, so all right, no surprise there, trade lightly. No shorts on the 60-minute. All right, we're doing good on time. On the 240, long positions. All right, ZAR yen. right, ZAR yen, very choppy trading here, guys. Buy signal here, it is still holding our target. So mark down phase, mark up. Our target on ZAR yen is up here. First target, all the way up here. A lot of resistance up here. Let's see if it can get up to that area there. Euro yen. All right, Euro yen, very similar. Trade going there. Oh yeah, here's your buy signal. Here is our target. And then here is your markdown. All right. So very choppy on the way down. Expect some choppiness on the way up. All right. Euro yen. New Zealand yen. I know these trades are not clean, guys. But remember, all that money is going into equities right now. So we do have a lot of indecision here. All right, so buy signal here. We're looking to break through that resistance here. Just know that's a major concern here. So, you know, you might want to trade, take a small position. If it breaks through, then add as it gets out of that area here. A decent risk reward, right? Resistance up all the way up here, okay? New Zealand yen. This is not a perfect trade, guys, okay? So trade accordingly. Aussie yen, same thing, right? A lot of limited direction on the 60 and on the 240, guys, in the dollar pairs and the yen pairs, okay? So we've been talking about this, all right? So, all right, buy signal here, all right? We just need to break through, all right? We just need to break through that resistance, all right? All right, we need to break through here. Aussie yen, we'll leave it for now, okay? We do have some shorts. All right, on the 240, and we were in some shorts, yen shorts. Let's take a look. So we were still holding on to this. Let's see. All right, so TRY is still holding, right? So TRY, JPY, that sell short signal was here. I think we called it right about here. Holding firm right now. We need to break through that support. Keep moving lower here. TRY, JPY, HKD, JPY, that closed. Okay, so sell short signal here. Green candles broke resistance. Buy to cover. So close the trade, please. And then pound New Zealand. All right, pound New Zealand still holding. Sell short signal here. I think we entered right about here somewhere. All right, we called it, send it out. And just holding now. Keep an eye on it, right? It's holding that support level there. You could get a green candle, close the trade, okay? Not a bad trade there. All right, Forex Dominator. You guys know we had some good trades in Forex Dominator on the daily time frame. Let's see how they're doing. I know Forex isn't pretty right now, but it is what it is. All right, dollar pairs, USD CHF, long, that closed. Buy signal here, sell. I'm sorry, hold on. That's a 60-minute, hold on. I was like, what's going on here? All right, that's the 60-minute. Here, let's get the daily. We need the daily. All right, that's the daily here. This dollar pair should still hold. We had several more pairs than these. I think we had about 8 pairs. Some of them closed last week, took some good profits on those. All right, we still have a few here. So dollar Swiss on the daily time frame in Forex Dominator. Good markdown phase, guys, right here. All right, accumulation, broke resistance, buy signal here, trading nicely all the way up here. All right, just keep in mind, guys. All right, so I know we don't have a lot of traders trading on the daily time frame. All right, if you are, all right, just know sellers are sitting here. All right, so here, here, and here we are here. Okay, so if we start getting some white candles here, you might want to close the trade, take profits. Okay, so USD Swiss, dollar Swiss, USD DKK. All right, buy signal here. We are breaking to that resistance here, broke through here, white candles, keep an eye on that. I think we have higher resistance above. Oh no, okay, so it's gotten past resistance here. All right, so keep an eye on it. Red candle, close it. All right, if you get a red candle there. USD HKD gave a sell signal today and a red candle. All right, so close the trade. Let's take a look at it. Beautiful trade, guys. All right, good trade. Here was, we broke resistance here in a nice way. Here was our buy signal here for tons of pips. So it broke through. All right, so buy signal here. All right, broke support right here. Sell signal, white arrow, red candle, close the trade here. Good trade. USD HUF, okay. All right, Stock Boss. So we've added some new positions in Stock Boss, Bullmaster Pro. Now I won't forget, I forgot about the US 30. I'll make sure we go to the US 30. The NAS and the SP 500 this evening, okay? All right, so let's see here. ACDC on the daily time frame. What happened here? I thought we had a buy signal here. All right, I don't know what, I thought we had a buy signal here. All right, let's remove this. Never mind. All right, OIS, buy signal here, guys. Retracing a bit. All right, so good markdown phase. Right, we need to break through that resistance here. So just know sellers are here, here, and here. Buy signal, we need to break through here, okay? These are new trades. PTEN, buy signal here, holding for now. This is always a concern when these trades are pulling back on up days. That's not good, okay? All right. All right. RES, buy signal here, holding. It looks bad here, but when we pull it in, all right, we're looking to break through that resistance here, all right? That's not a good setup there. Oh, I know why we're doing this. These are energy stocks, guys. So we're looking for a bigger move, all right? So energy stocks. So we're looking for a breakout, okay? So TTI, buy signal here, all right, breaking out here. And then we do have SUPV, that's been holding for a while now. Buy signal here, holding firm. And MVST, buy signal here, holding. Okay? So that's Stock Boss, small caps. And Bullmaster, these are all new. So we have a new rotation coming in. In Bullmaster. We'll go through this quickly here. BYRN looks good. RH, that's holding. ARIS, new buy signal, looks good. AROC holding nicely. CRK holding. A lot of these are reaccumulation trades, guys. All right, that's NFG, nice. PAA looks good. Look at that. PAGP holding nicely. RRC holding. All of those were energy stocks. All right, SOC moving up nicely here. Let's see here. YPF holding. Keep an eye on it, guys. White candle here. Keep an eye on it. And that is energy. Okay. That's holding there. EQH holding. FOUR, that's financial. Good buy signal right here. GS, that Goldman Sachs, buy signal here on a break of this resistance. That looks good. All right, so financials. All right, another financial, MS, that's Morgan Stanley, guys. Morgan Stanley buy signal came in here on a break of resistance right here. All right, nice cup and handle there. Looks good. And TD, all right. Okay, so that's Toronto. What's that? Dominion Bank, all right. TD, buy signal here moving higher. Not a good chart here, all right, but we're hoping to get past all of this here. Financial, that sector is moving. I think that's the number 2 sector right now. V, as things move, we'll get better, guys. We're early, right? These are early buying. So as we move along, we'll get better trades out of heat seeker. Okay, V, financials, buy signal here. Beautiful break. Resistance, buyers are coming in. Previous trade did well. All right, EAT looks good. Buy signal here, all the way up here. Good price action. CLS, not a good trade. Buy signal here at 60, trading at 120. Good trade there. KD holding nicely, and Marvel again holding nicely here. Bullmaster Pro with fundamentals. Right, these are all new here. AGX, that's holding. All right, ERG holding nicely. FIX, good move here, guys. Gapped up. Buy signal was right here. Previous trades, not bad. All right, GE. All right, GE, buy signal was here at 185, gapped up 200, guys. Not bad trading here, and it's getting past resistance here. Notice how it gapped up right on that break of resistance, guys, right here. That's powerful. All right, and it's not filling that gap. All right, nice trade here. HWM. Okay. All right, holding firm. All right, good. All right, buy signals are holding. Good. All right, good. All right, Qualcomm, look here. Buy signal here, nice break of resistance here. Previous trades did good. Good resistance and good support. So good support here, so they definitely held it. All right, and resistance is here. All right, so we're getting past that resistance here. That buy signal came in early here, but boy, that looks good to break through resistance there. Okay, and the last one here, SEMR, buy signal here. Let's take a look at the chart here. I think I might have rushed this one. So that's tech, and tech is moving higher. All right, so we're breaking out of that resistance there. Okay, so we don't want this to happen when it comes back in. Okay, so we did break out. It is holding close today right here at the high. So let's see if it can keep moving higher. Okay, again, as the market keeps moving higher, we should get better opportunities through heat seeker. Okay. Okay, quick look at the US 30. We always talk about paying attention, guys. You guys remember the US 30 didn't do anything Yes. Nancy Pelosi, yes, she's in VST also. VST. And Peter, she's heavy in NVIDIA too. All right, she bought, and we'll start tracking some of her trades, right? And we might do some of Buffett trades also. She got in on the 14th, right when NVIDIA made a bottom. All right, so hey, she knows something. So we'll start following her trade. So you're absolutely right, Peter. Thanks for that. So yeah, VST is another one of her trades. But boy, she nailed NVIDIA. I think she came in at 129. Yeah, Google and NVIDIA. Yep. You're on it. Yep. All right. Let's see here. Okay, US 30 before I forgot. I forgot the US 30 last time. So the US 30, guys, beautiful trades here. I know you guys can see this. My head is in the way there. So we're going to move it a little bit over here for now. We'll move it back. So previous trade on the US 30 on the 60-minute time frame was here, guys. So we got bought here, sold here, but then we bought here, had a buy signal here, got out here, and we have a new buy signal. Look at that on the 60-minute time frame. All right, so that's amazing trading on the 60-minute. And then look at the daily. Buyers are coming in here on the daily. All right, we got a new up here. All right, 24, but just amazing trading here. That's great trading, guys. Perfect trading on the US 30, even with the volatility that it carries. Great trading here. Okay, on the NAS, wait for a buy signal on the NAS. Okay, so just wait, right? I know it's choppy up in here. Okay, all right. This is where, that's your markdown phase. Here we are. We're high in the markup phase. All right, but guess what? If the US 30 can break out, so can the NAS. All right, the S&P right here, the S&P right here does have a buy signal, so we're going to call that. So we're going to call a buy signal on the SP 500 E-minis long. All right, for our SP traders, long 60-minute. All right, and we are breaking out on the daily time frame here. Okay, no buy signal yet. All right, but fairly decent trading. But by far, the US 30 best trade. All right, best trade right now as far as the E-minis. Stock Boss. All right, based on time, I just want to show you guys what's going on here with Stock Boss. We've seen more stocks. So right now we have 78. You guys know, couple of weeks ago, we only had like 13, 20, 30. Now we have a lot more. Let's see what they're buying. Keep an eye on healthcare. Healthcare is coming in. All right, lots of healthcare here. All right, so healthcare is coming in. Energy, we don't have a lot of energy here. We'll see energy mainly in Bullmaster. Okay, so but healthcare. All right, biotech, you want to just stay away from those. Bullmaster right now 141, guys. That's a lot in Bullmaster. Okay, so Bullmaster traders, you guys want to be all over. All right, we have a few energy here, financials, healthcare, more healthcare here, more healthcare. Okay, so we'll run through this tech. Look at tech. You guys see that there? A lot of tech, all here. All right, so tech is setting up here. So healthcare and tech, and that's what we like to see with a healthy market. Healthcare, tech, financials, right? We can get some energy. That's good also. Okay. All right. Monster Scalper. Let's go through this quickly, and then we'll be done. All right, so Monster Scalper on the 60-minute time frame, right? We mentioned that we're consolidating, okay? All right, so we got a bit of consolidation here. All right, these are the only pairs that are above 20. All the rest here, red, and below 20, guys. So they're consolidating. We can tell by looking at this here. Okay, so there's no rotation, no trends here. So we'll just run through these quickly. All right, so see here, so that consolidation here in price. All right, so just lay low for now. If you're going to trade Forex, just find specific trades, okay? So you have to have a really good setup. All right, so capital is definitely coming out of Forex for right now. So see here, see how it's consolidating here, guys? All right. We hope the yen pairs, can have some buy-in come in. All right, pound yen, we'll call this one. Okay, it's a pretty good setup here in pound yen. So we'll call pound yen. So GBP, JPY, and it's got good protection. Oh, Peter, I forgot about you. Hold on, Peter. All right, let's go back to equities. Hold on. Sorry, Peter. So we're going to go to Bullmaster. And which one was it? It was SMR and NNE. Bullmaster. All right, so Peter, SMR. Oh, wow, Peter, look at that. So SMR on the daily time frame looks really good. So buy signal came in. I'm not surprised, Peter. Buy signal came in here on a break of resistance here in Bullmaster, right here on the daily time frame. That came in at, let's call it $11. All right, sold at 22. Right, in a nice little pullback correction here, and is now breaking out. Okay, so nice healthy candles, big candle here. Peter, if it gets to that high here, it could definitely move higher. All right, for you. So here's the high here. All right, good candles here. We'll get a buy signal. If it keeps moving, we'll get a buy signal right around here on that daily time frame. Let's take a quick look at the 60. All right, look at the 60. 60 looks good. Buy signal here, really good price action. So it's definitely holding, Peter. All right, and good buying here. Weekly looks good too. Look at the weekly. Weekly looks good. And look at the monthly. So this must be in near all-time highs territory. Let's take a look here. All right, so yep, all-time high. So there's no resistance above. So SMR could definitely move. All right, good job, Peter. Good job. The next one here is NNE. All right, another good one. I'm not surprised. You got in at 24. So 24 on SMR. Let's see here. SMR. All right, so 24, so you're in the money. So 24 was right here. Good timing. Good job, Peter. All right, 24 right here. Good potential. I mean, look at this. Really good potential to move higher. All right, good job. Good job. And then NNE looks good also, Peter. NNE. All right, look at that. Where was your entry, Peter? On NNE was 35. Good job. So 35 was right. You nailed it. 35 was right here. On a break of resistance right here where that buy signal came in here. So 35 right here, buy signal right here. Good job. And we're breaking out big, healthy candles. All right. And are these new IPOs? Fairly new. Weekly time frame, breaking out on the weekly time frame. All right, so weekly looks really good. Look at that candle on that week, and also on the monthly. And you have the equity market. The index is moving higher too. They're all-time highs too. And on the monthly time frame, NNE, big candle here. All right, so no resistance above, just like SMR. So Good job, Peter. Good job. But I am not surprised. All right. You guys know Peter. You guys have seen his story. Peter is a prop firm trader now. He's got capital. All right. So Peter, I hope you have a lot more capital now. All right, to trade. All right. Good job, buddy. We are so proud of you, Peter. We're so proud of you. All right. All right. So so let's go back. Let's go back here. All right, so pound yen, guys, we're going to call pound yen. That's a fairly decent trade. A good markdown phase, all right? So let's draw it out. Good markdown phase. All right. And nice markup phase going here. We have a reaccumulation trade. So the first trade we called on the 60-minute now was right here. So bought here, got out here, red candles, got back in, and then closed here. And we have a new buy signal coming in now on a break of this resistance here. And if you guys look here, that's fairly decent resistance on the 60 here. Okay, so this is where it failed before, so be aware of that. Here we are, we're breaking through though. Okay, so buy signal here, and here we are, current candle breaking out. So GBP JPY long, 60 minute, okay? All right, not a bad trade here. Good risk reward, okay? So if we break through here, guys, and we get some movement, next resistance might be here, okay? Now, you might slow down somewhere in here, okay? But that would be the target here, okay? So a decent buy signal considering everything else, all right, in Monster Scalper. Euro yen, wait for it. All right, so buyers are coming back in. If it gives a buy signal somewhere in here, all right, that's reaccumulation. Previous trade did okay here. All right, so we can't call it yet. Okay, we can't call it yet, but just wait for that buy signal if it comes in. Swiss yen, all right, early, but setting up nicely. CAD yen, all right, nothing here. And then Aussie yen. All right, Aussie yen, wait for the next buy signal there. Okay, with Aussie yen. But pound yen, definitely we'll call that one. Okay, pound yen right here. If it fails, guys, if it fails, it's going to give you a sell signal, right, to exit right about here. Okay, so you've got a decent risk reward. So here is your protection here. Here is your upside. Okay. All right. And I don't think we have anything else here. On the 240 quickly. All right, so on the 240 pound yen. So pound yen on the 240. So that came right up. So pound yen on the 240. Here is your markdown. All right. And you got a perfect buy signal just came in. So fresh buy signal. Pound yen. You guys know we love to trade pound yen. Now look at the previous trade on pound yen. Okay. So here is your support down here on the 240. Remember that. Not the 60. The 240 here. All right. So here is support. Markdown phase, accumulation, broke resistance buy signal here, sold here, broke support, markdown phase, found support here, accumulation, here we are. All right, hopefully we get another trade like this. Buy signal is right here, that came in right now. You guys can see that right here, that blue arrow right here, breaking through that resistance right here. Perfect buy signal here. All right, target is here, just like the previous trade. Okay, so that's a good setup. So pound yen on the 60 and on the 240. Okay, we on the daily time frame, we do need that daily buyers to come in on the daily, right? Barely got a white candle here, so we do need buyers to come in. We do have support. This is encouraging. So it found support here on the daily, resistance here, okay? So even if we can make it back up to that resistance here, that would be a great trade. We do have white candles here on the weekly, so that's good, okay? All right. On the 240, we've got about, what, 50% volatility. All right. We've got a consolidation. Okay. What's nice is we've got what might be the making of a rotation here. We'll see. All right. So the Aussie, Kiwi, and yen pairs are up. Right. As far as your radar here, dollar pairs are down. Euro pairs somewhat down. Okay, so if we can get continued buying here, continued selling here, we've got a confirmed rotation. Okay, so let's take a quick look. Aussie dollar, let's see here. Nothing here. Aussie Swiss. All right, so Aussie CAD. All right. So Aussie CAD is moving up nicely. No, we didn't call this one. I don't believe so. Nope. All right. So good trade. Mark down, mark up. Buy signal here, moving up nicely. Aussie dollar. All right. We'll call Aussie dollar. Mark down phase. Mark down phase. Buy signal. Mark up phase. Purple support and resistance. So we got to get past it. Okay. On the daily time frame. All right, we don't have buyers yet, but guess what? All right, we found support. We got white candles. Okay, all we need is just a pop here. We'll get a green candle. So we'll call that Aussie dollar. So AUD, JPY, long on the 240. Okay, Aussie dollar, long 240 in Monster Scalper. All right, Aussie Swiss. Okay, so we have buyers here on the daily. But this is tricky here. Okay, Aussie Swiss. All right, so Aussie Swiss, guys, we have buyers coming in on the daily. We have resistance here, and we have further resistance here. That's a lot of resistance, so we'll pass. Okay, we'll pass. That's a lot of resistance for a long time, too. So we'll pass on this. But Aussie dollar looks good. Aussie CAD is moving already. New Zealand dollar. All right, let's call it good price action on the daily. Look at the markdown phase here. Look at that markdown phase, all right? So held support here. No buyers yet, but we've got some white candles. So we'll call it here, but just be aware, purple support and resistance, okay? So NZD. JPY. And guys, we're done. Okay, we're almost done here. Couple more minutes and we'll be done. Long 240. Swiss. NZD Swiss. Guys, with Forex, trade lightly. New Zealand CAD. All right, New Zealand CAD. Yep, 240. All right, here's your markdown, your markup. Buy signal here. Hasn't gone too far yet. All right, we know about pound yen. Euro yen on the 240. EUR JPY on the 240. Long. Swiss yen. Nothing yet. No buy signal yet. CAD yen. Nothing yet. Aussie yen. Aussie yen, let's see. All right, let's see if Aussie yen, a lot of resistance here. All right, buyers failed here. We have a buy signal here. It's holding. It's building right here. Okay, it's early. Okay, if you want to wait, for a break, okay. Now, what you can do, now you guys know with stop losses, right? If you wanted to put a stop loss, now ideally we would put it lower, like right about here, okay, right about below here. But you could probably put it right about here if you wanted to take this trade, okay, because we do have a lot of sellers here. All right, so if it doesn't, right, so here's your buy signal here. You could bring it right below here, right here, your stop loss, so that if it doesn't, right, if it fails, you get out quickly, because we don't want this to happen here. All right, so, all right, at least we have something here in Forex, in Monster Scalper. Okay, all right, so we are done. Let's see here. Where am I going here? Okay, all right. Okay, so equities. One more stop. Futures, Monster futures. That's strange. All right, while I'm running this will take some time. Okay, so guys, equity, so stock boss traders. Remember, it's not what we want to trade, right? It's what's moving. Equity market, that's what's moving again, okay? Equities. Okay, so our stock boss traders, bull master traders, make sure you guys get your systems ready, get your capital ready. Okay, that's the trade right now. Right, we still need these indexes. All right, but we've got good price action. They're near all-time highs. All right, they're near all-time highs. So we'll call a buy. We'll call a buy in equities. We just don't have a confirmed buy. Okay. In the futures market, let's see here. I know my head is in the way there. I'm looking for crude oil. I want to see buyers come in here in crude oil. And they're not. They're not coming in yet. Okay, they came in, they left. All right, so we'll see. All right, so crude oil pull back a bit. Okay, so we'll see. They're not coming in. They're not coming in yet. Okay, so we'll just wait. All right, guys. So I will see you guys on Sunday. All right. So thanks for coming, everyone. Peter, it's so good to see you, Peter. Always good to see you. A pleasure. And good job on those trades, Peter. Good job. All right. Those look really, really nice. Okay. Make a lot of money on those, buddy. All right. Take care, guys. Thanks for coming, everyone. Thanks for coming, Peter. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.